Hey, what's up guys, your boy IronSmasher 1024 here. Welcome back to another random ITA update. Today, right now on Discord on Xbox, they got a little small update. And that is that you can do Discord without the ability to use it with a phone. Which means that technically it's kind of a full-fledged app, but it's a few differences. Right here where you can voice chat on Xbox with Discord over here. And as you see while it's loading, it shows all your servers that you are currently in. And of course some stuff are a bit off. Obviously you can't really type on Discord yet, at least not right now. But you can join right here. Obviously I'm not connected, I don't have anything connected to the Xbox controller. But technically this person will be able to talk and I'll be able to hear him. And of course, well, I can't hear what he's saying. Because obviously I think I have to connect something on my end, but yeah, I can connect and disconnect. It'll give you a notification, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. And I'm not sure if they'll be able to hear me if I were to do voice chat while live streaming on the application of Twitch itself, because basically you can't live stream on Twitch on Xbox, but I'm pretty sure you would be able they would be able to hear them on. If you were to do live stream on Twitch with Discord intact while doing it on Xbox, I'm pretty sure it is possible. But yeah, I just want to do a little update for you guys because granted some people were wanting this for a while, and thankfully it's finally here, which means we all have to do is wait for PlayStation, and eventually when everybody gets old, Nintendo. So yeah, take care everyone, peace.